Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color fruits. Let's start drawing. Let's start to draw an apple. Now a banana. And an orange. Then we draw a pear. A slice of watermelon. Some grapes. Then I draw a cute face like this for the apple. And a smiling mouth with the tongue out. I draw two cute eyes for the banana. And a smiling mouth. I draw two cute eyes again. And a smiling mouth wide open. I draw two cute eyes for the pear. And a smiling mouth. Two eyes again. And a smiling mouth with the tongue out. I draw two cute eyes again. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Brown for the stem. And green for its leaf. I use red for the apple. Then light red for its mouth. For the banana, I use two shades of yellow. Its stem is going to be brown and green for its leaf. I color the orange with this orange marker. For its mouth, I use two different shades of red. Its stem is going to be brown and green for its leaf. Green to color the pear. I use two different red markers for its mouth. Then I color the watermelon with this red marker. The seeds are black, and for the skin of the melon, I use some green tones. Then light red for its mouth. Color its stem with brown, and green for the leaf. For the grapes, I use purple. I like this. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.